Hi, this is P.R. Sundar and welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. So this is only a podcast as I'm enjoying my holiday in Bali Islands, Indonesia. Last week, Nifty was up nearly 350 points, but Bank Nifty was up nearly 1300 points. And Bank Nifty has hugely outperformed. And ICICI Bank is the first banking stock to hit fresh all-time high. And PSU banks have also done very well. And lower inflation did the trick for the world markets. It's not only our Indian market, the entire world markets rallied last week. So now Nifty is up nearly 2,500 points in the last 2 months. And that is, like you can say a fantastic rally. On Friday, US markets closed higher and SGX Nifty closed above 17,800. That is more than 100 point plus. But tomorrow, anyway, our market is a trading holiday due to National Day. So we will open on Tuesday morning. But meanwhile, if something happens tomorrow in US market, it can be positive or negative. So Tuesday we are going to definitely open higher only, but how much higher is the question mark now. So I think now markets will be slowly moving towards 18,000, and but it should consolidate in my opinion, because the Nifty has already shot up so much, and a monthly open interest 18,000 call option has the highest open interest. At the same time, 17,500 put option has the highest open interest among the put option also. So therefore, because tomorrow is a holiday, we only have about 8 trading sessions until the end of this expiry. So people are expecting a range bound move between 17,500 and 18,000. And however, people are selling both 17.5 call and 18,000, 17.5 put and 18,000 call. The combined premium is roughly about 150. So these people are safe until 17,350 on the downside and 18,150 on the upside. So even the weekly put options, 17,600 put option has the huge open interest. That is almost just only 100 point away. So that shows the bullishness among the bulls. So when I'm saying the bulls, so it is time to tell one bad thing. So the big bull of Indian stock market, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, is no more, and that's a really very sad news. And 62 years is not the age to die, at least for the people who are very active in stock market. So like you look at Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, so these are people who live very long years. And I usually say, stock market keeps our brain very active, even at any age. So what to do? So sometimes things happen. So this way. So it's a very sad news. So let us pray for his soul to rest in peace. So coming back to markets, coming week. So there are no any economic data, both in India as well as global markets also. So that is one of the reasons why people feel that the markets are likely to consolidate between 17,500 and 18,000. And over the weekend, Hero MotoCorp came out with results. So Hero MotoCorp has come out with the good results. So we will have to see how the stock price will move. So will it become hero or zero? We don't know. But I have a lot of investments in Hero MotoCorp, because I think by this time you people should know I like high dividend yield stocks. So that's why I have a lot of investments in PFC, REC, Vedanta, Tata Steel, Infosys, TCS, uh, Hero Motocorp, etc., etc. So, uh, corporate news wise, so we have come to an end. So there will be no more corporate news from corporate results from next week. So this quarter, I think the corporate results have been more or less very good, we can say. So therefore, even if there is some correction in the market, so the correction is going to be only a shallow correction. I think at the worst case scenario, Nifty may go back to 16,800, not below that. Of course, they are all positional talk. So now let us concentrate only on the coming week. So coming week, for this weekly expiry, we have only 3 trading sessions. And for this week, we have only 4 trading sessions. So Singapore Nifty already indicating 17,800 plus. So people have taken 17,700 short straddle. So I think the weekly expiry, Nifty should be trading between somewhere around 17,500 and 17,900. So India VIX has come down so much, so option premiums are also very, very low. So usually when the option premiums are very, very low, and unless something happens, the markets will be range bound only. Right. Now, the last segment of my program. So, stock of the week. And of course, because I'm on holiday, I cannot be showing you the chart. I'll just give some logic and explanation. The stock I'm looking for this week is Muthoot Finance. Okay. First thing is that why is Muthoot Finance? Last October, a Nifty hit all-time high, and Muthoot Finance also hit all-time high. And after that, when the markets corrected, so Muthoot Finance also corrected. But then Muthoot Finance is related to the gold. Okay, so sometimes the gold behaves opposite to stock market. Say for example, when Russia-Ukraine war broke out, and the globally markets fell, and but the gold prices were, the expectation that gold prices will move higher came in. So Muthoot Finance actually moved higher in the last week of February. When the markets, overall markets fell, Muthoot Finance was up. Same thing, there was a too much bearishness in the first 2 weeks of May series. And if you can remember, Nifty fell 1,700 points in the first 2 weeks of May. When Nifty fell 1,700 points in the first 2 weeks of May, Muthoot Finance actually went up. So, but then after that, so along with the markets, it has corrected so much. But now, when the market is also going higher, and Muthoot Finance is also going higher. And last Friday, so a significant milestone was achieved. And the February, when the Ukraine war broke out, so Muthoot Finance made a high. So that high was taken out yesterday. That is last Friday. So that is a very, very bullish sign. And moreover, the gold prices, people expected, when the US interest rate increases, gold prices will fall. And usually interest rates and gold prices, they are inversely proportional. So when the interest rates are low, gold tends to perform better. When interest rates are high, the gold tend to perform not so good. But now the expectation of higher interest rate is also coming down in US. People now expecting only a half a percentage rate hike in the next meeting instead of 3/4. So that may be aiding the gold. So gold price is trading in US dollar per ounce is more than $1,800. It's trading very firmly around that price. So if all goes well, so Muthoot Finance will see a lot of action. So in the coming weeks or even the coming months. And of course, I'm not a SEBI registered research analyst or investment advisor. So if you are taking a long position, so make sure that you keep a appropriate stop loss. So I would suggest you 40 to 50 rupees as the stop loss if in case if you are taking a long position. And the past few weeks, whichever stocks I have recommended, so they all have done very well. Nothing to take credit very big, because like markets are bull markets. So anything if I say it's going to go up only. But some of the stocks have done really very well, especially the JSW Steel, which I recommended around 600 rupees. It has shot up so much. So let us see how this Muthoot Finance performs in the next 1 week. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for watching.